What's up guys, welcome again to another video on Adobe Illustrator. It's me Arjun. Today I'm gonna show you easy step to fill text with an image. I have a blank document open on Adobe Illustrator and I have taken desktop screenshot and save on the desktop here. Let me place that. Click on File, Place, Desktop, this image, place, and hold down left button and drag somewhere on the document. Then select the type tool and type some text. Let me type welcome. You can increase or decrease the text size and place just above the image. Make sure the text should be in front of the image. Then select both of them, object menu, clipping marks, make. Perfect. Awesome. Your job done. Hope this is useful for you, and if you have any comment or question, please drop on the comment box below. I will answer as soon as possible. And if you haven't already, please subscribe my channel. Wait friend, don't forget to share with your friend. Thank you. Bye bye.